Sup YouTube. Alright, a plan today, we're gonna head out to Seaside, Oregon, because as you know, my daughter and I, we love to looking at the different houses, and but that's our plan today. We saw one house at Seaside, Oregon, that we're going to look at, and we're meeting with the realtor there too. All right, and we'd love to have you all come along. All right, we better hit the road. It's about a little bit over an hour to get there. All right. All right, guys. So we are here. We have arrived at the house here. See the sign right there. Give you the overview of the house. So yeah, waiting for the realtor to show up, and then we'll do a tour here. I'll show the there's a roof up there. I don't know why it's not shingle. It's really a nice little house. Alright. Oh yeah, let me show you guys here. Okay, so from the picture it looks like the neighbor had dug front yard, but nope. But nothing there. Looks pretty nice. And if you go down that way, so you go down that way, it's the prom, so the promenade that way. All right, beautiful houses here, and then if you go down that way, that's the river right there. You know, so I love it here. It's beautiful, beautiful neighborhood. Beautiful houses, as you'll see. Alright, so I'm waiting for the realtor to show up, and we go from there. Alright, so we're walking to the promenade there from the house that we're looking at. Yeah, it's only a block down, 2 blocks down, something like that. About 5 minutes walk, I think. Show you here. So this beach right there, and so the house we looked at is right the other side of that stop sign. So yeah, a block down. So then we're at the beach. A beautiful home here for sure. Yeah. It's a beautiful home here. Yeah, this would be really nice, isn't it? Somewhere around the beach. Hey, look at this one. Oh my gosh, that's gotta be like $1 million home. Beautiful. Yeah, so we're at the beach. It's right here. So here we are. And the aquarium's right there. Well, it's not that far. There's the aquarium. And then there's the circular, the main road right there. Yeah, the fireworks usually take place right there. Alright. You guys see so that's the promenade all the way that way. So we have this beautiful home. Alright. Man, we'll look at this home right here. This one is beautiful right there. That one's an older home. It's just, yeah, big. Beautiful though. A lot of work, but price is right. I think that would have been very nice too. Alright guys, so we're waiting for the realtor, like I said, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, thanks for coming along. Alright, so we're gonna look at the house. Okay, so this window is a little too small. Which is Carrie sent me the report already. There's about 13 items we need to fix.
Yeah.
And this is another one she was talking about, that we're gonna need a firewall.
Yeah, on the part that juts out.
Yeah, the part that's sticking out there. So, and then, you know, because it's so close.
Yeah, because you have to have 3 feet
Yeah,
in
you have to
between.
have 3 feet.
Depending on how close that is,
Yeah.
I think you might have to do to their garage, the end of their garage.
Okay. Either that, you just cut that off.
Yeah, that's what I told people. Just cut it off, but you'll see it's kind of small.
Take that whole piece off. All right, so let's go. Yeah, and I look up here also. So yeah, see, like that. Yeah, we know. Yeah. Okay. All right. All right. Going on to the next one, and you're right though, Carrie. From the picture, looks like the neighbor dug a big hole in the.
Right,
oh my gosh, it's not there. It looks pretty. It's very nice how he did it. So.
Yeah, it's mowed. I know. I was looking for like, where are they taking it?
Yeah.
So I just sold that one last year, and it was in worse shape than this one. But they're fixing it up.
I see that.
Then the one next door to it just sold. That one sold for $3 or $297.
Okay.
And the next one is really small. There's one. Out.
Yeah. You take all the stuff out, you can park another parking. All right, so we're going. So the entrance to the house is this side. Okay. So we're in the back side now. So here, going up there. Okay.
Your dad said you guys had yoga.
Yeah.
My daughter, she graduates next year.
Oh, really?
And that's where she wants to go.
Oh, she should.
Yeah.
It's a really nice school.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. I know. I'm like, oh, we home.
Alright, so this is what's
Does she know
another
what she wants to major in?
inspection
She wants to be a teacher.
here.
Trying to
Okay, so
decide.
education is
So
different.
it's
Is
not
it?
a-
Oh, good.
you know.
Yeah. That's what I told her. I said,
So
I
this
think
railing,
either there or Linfield.
it looks pretty
or,
good.
you know,
Looks pretty good on that side.
Yeah, UO is better than I was.
It's not bad here. It's just this here.
Yeah, and that's what you're
So I don't think
I like the color.
this shoe and this here might be.
By the color.
You know, so there's a connection here. Might as well just do that, and of course the rail here too. Oh yeah, yeah. That's you can see this here. That's easy, simple to do. The biggest thing is it's the actual house.
I know.
Oh, okay, because that extent. Okay, it looks pretty. All right. So you can see back there. Okay. All right. Yeah, look inside. Yeah, those are easy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty handy.
Are you? Okay, good. That's what this place needs.
I do a lot of stuff at my house on my own. Okay, let's walk in here. Yeah,
Like a
it's
little
pretty
nook.
nice. Nice and cozy.
And it comes with all of the furnishings except for this chair
Oh, is that right?
and some artwork because she doesn't want to clean it out.
Oh, okay.
And then up here,
Mm-hmm.
above this fire, this is a gas fireplace, which
Yeah.
is really nice at the coast.
Yeah.
But she thinks there may be a leak up somewhere in there, but it's not
Yeah.
showing through.
It doesn't show. So I've seen at the beach they like this kind of ceiling.
Yeah, a
It's-
lot of it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is there a particular reason? Because it's different than.
I think it's just in the older homes.
Oh, okay.
You know, the real old cottages
Yeah.
and cabins.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So, and then the bathroom is here.
Okay. It's pretty nice. Seeing just like the picture.
And then a lot of the homes in Seaside, the floors are kind of uneven because they would build onto them,
Yeah.
and then also we're on sand, so
That's
everything's
right.
kind of moved.
Yeah.
This is the old fireplace. It's
Okay.
not functional, but so you can take that out. So this is the kitchen dining room, and that's what you would lose if you.
Oh, I
that
got
thing.
you.
So
Okay.
I mean, you could probably do it, but I think it would be less expensive to put the firewall in.
Yeah. Okay.
And then some of the windows are updated, some aren't.
Yeah. Okay. I see.
Let's see.
Alright, so this is where they're talking about here.
And the last agent said it was a bedroom, but I didn't list it
So,
as a bedroom.
you know, you can
You know, and then
do a wall here.
here.
Alright. Do a wall here. And then just put a wall there and then take the extent out. Looks like they extended that thing. And it's really close to the neighbor, right? So they get more room, they extended that thing. Looks that way. So this whole thing, we need to put the firewall here. It's about, I would say 9.5 feet, 10 feet, let's say 10 feet. There, okay. And this is the kitchen here. It's pretty nice actually. For a home that built around that time, and I think could be the. Oh yeah, okay, not sure. Maybe another room, a little room. Oh, and then they're down here. Okay, so from here,
And you do it yourself.
walk down here.
Oh, it's really nice though. I really like the bedrooms.
Just a couple of
They are big,
step-
and that's kind of unusual.
couple of step here, and then got. Oh yeah, nice bedroom here. Okay, so that's the window. That is too small, so
Yeah, you could put a French door here, and then a little deck out front,
that's probably a good idea.
and then
too.
you wouldn't have to change that window
Yeah,
because that would be
yeah.
big enough. And that's the
And
patch
this
job.
this is the patch. This is the leak, and I kind of saw on that side too. So yeah, so that whole thing's there. See, I'm more familiar with this kind of ceiling, right? Versus the other one I saw there.
Oh yeah,
What is it? Oh, these. So
yeah, because these are add-ons.
yeah.
So
Oh, this is that. Oh,
yeah, this is
gotcha.
add-on because I think the original house was just the front there, and then this to this bedroom up here, this little area. room.
Oh,
So and I
gotcha.
think these were all added on later.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. All right. So let me go and see this here.
And then there's the electric cadet.
Oh, that's a cute little room right here. Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
'cause you could put a lot of family in here. You could
Yeah.
even put bunk beds in one of the
Yeah.
rooms,
That's
and
pretty
then
nice.
you could sleep in that front area too.
Yeah, this is where I saw maybe it's not leaking, but maybe they didn't finish painting.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. Okay, so let me go in here. This is the Washroom.
Then there's a
Okay.
half bath.
So the half bath there. And then to the garage. Okay. So what's the duct here? Is that when it replaces the sewer?
Yeah. the
Oh,
sewer
that
line.
one you told me, the sewer
Mhm.
line.
Yeah.
All right. So this is a couple years ago. They have to replace the sewer line, so that's new now. Look, you can go crabbing too, right there. Yeah. So okay, the garage good size,
Mhm.
pretty good size. So okay.
Yeah.
So I have to redo this here probably. You know. Okay. Cool. Alright guys, so we are done looking at the house and getting hungry. When try to go find something to eat and heading back home. And a lot to think about. Alright. Hey, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, help me out immensely if you would. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, and God bless.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow.